So this time we're going to be dividing 2-digit numbers by 100, but the same rules apply. This time we're going to be using a place value chart again, but instead of counters, we're going to be using numbers. So rather than a manipulative, rather than something pictorial, or if it was a real counter, something we could touch, this is an abstract. These are just purely digits, numbers. Anyway, so we've got 82 divided by 100, so the same rules apply. So I'm going to move all the digits 2 places to the right. So I'm going to move my ones first into the hundredths. I'm going to move my tens into the tenths. And this shows me that 82 divided by 100 is 0, because there are no ones, 0.8 tenths, and 2 hundredths. Right, so look at the next one. So again, this one has just shifted the answer to the beginning, but the same rules apply. So we still have to create a balance. So something is 93 divided by 100. Well, we know the rules by now. We have to move all the digits 2 places to the right. So I move my ones into the hundredths again. I move my tens into the tenths. To show me that 93 divided by 100 is 0.93. Right, this last one's a bit trickier because it says 0.25 is something divided by 100. So this has already been divided by 100. So we have to do the opposite. We have to use the inverse. So in order to find an answer, we're going to multiply 0.23 by 100. Now that means moving everything 2 places to the left. So I move my tenths over into the tens, and I move my hundredths over into the ones. And this shows me the 0.23 is 23 divided by 100. So just remember the key rules. When you're dividing by 100, you move all the digits 2 places to the right on your place value chart so that they become 100 times smaller.